And here's our 2002 GMC Yukon. We're planning on doing an oil change on it. It's got the 5.3 in it. To do this oil change, you'll need a drain pan, your 15 millimeter socket with ratchet, oil filter wrench, an oil filter, and enough oil to fill it back up. So first, you're going to slide your drain pan under the truck where the drain plug would be at, which that drain plug is right there. If you maneuver your drain pan, you can actually take your filter out right along with your drain plug. Drain plug's here. And filter there. And you're going to wipe off the drain plug. Now while you let the oil drain, you can go ahead and put the new filter in. Being that this filter is actually straight up and down, you can actually prime it. By pouring oil right into the filter itself. You also want to put a little bit of oil right around the ring so it lubricates it, so it'll seal better. And this will actually go back into the truck. So this will be actually right back on where the old oil filter was at. And screw this back in. Don't have to be tight. It needs to be sealed. So I normally give it another quarter turn after I do that. And there's how you put the filter in. Once you got the oil filter wrench maneuver back there, you're going to loosen it up. It shouldn't be that tight. Now that the oil is drained out of the truck, you can put your drain plug back in. I like to clean up everything down here a little bit after I'm all done. Mainly where the oil is at. And now you can go ahead and start filling it up. Should take about 6 quarts with the oil filter being removed. And I'll be filling it up with Amsoil Synthetic Signature Series 5W30. Yep. Normally I only put the 5 quarts in it, see where we're at. Make sure you don't overfill it. There's number 5. Now I'll go ahead and pull the dipstick out. Clean the dipstick off. Once you go ahead and check your dipstick, make sure it's actually where it needs to be red, which actually about full. So put your dipstick back in there. After cleaning it off, take your funnel out. Get your cap back on. Then you need to go start it up. Inside the truck, look at your oil pressure, make sure that's up, which it is. It's almost about 60 pounds. And make sure there's no leaks underneath the truck itself, which there isn't. So while it's actually running, I normally do my little sticker to tell me when next time I need to do an oil change. And I go ahead and I shut off the truck. Still checking oil pressure. No leaks up underneath. Then we just go up here. We'll get a clean rag. Take the dipstick out. And clean the dipstick. Make sure there's no oil or anything on it. Put it back in. Just to check it. And the oil looks pretty good. And that's how you would do an oil change on a 2002 Yukon. And if you would like to order any Amsoil, you can go to www.bestoil34.com. And please follow this channel to help me grow.